Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G22, and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first you should go into the Play Store, because unfortunately we have not installed by default the AOD feature, and just to activate the always on display we should get the application from the Play Store. So now open just the Play Store app, and here in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge, and now we should get this application. So tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just click here to open. Now just tap to the draw over apps, and here on this list find the Muviz Edge, click here to allow on the switcher. Now just go back again into the application, and here in the AOD section select one from the available terms. For example, I'll go with this one, click here to apply, and now one will block the device. We can see that we just successfully activate the always on display feature here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.